Hello students, welcome to Standard 10 Physics online class. Students, now we are learning our second lesson, optics. So in our last online class, we have seen the topic human eye. So let me once again shortly recall about human eye. So human eye are approximately spherical in shape. You know that human eye is spherical in shape. And then the measurement is diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. Students, some important parts of human eye are cornea, iris, pupil, retina, eye lens and ciliary muscles. So let me shortly recall once again about all these parts. Students, before going to our new topic, you must know the important parts which are present in the human eye. So there are 6 major parts which are present in human eye. They are cornea, iris, pupil, retina, eye lens and ciliary muscle. So our first part is cornea. Cornea is thin and transparent layer. So which is present in front surface of the eyeball. And then iris. Iris is the colored part of the eye. So what are the colors, major colors? Blue, green and brown. And then pupil. Pupil is the center part of iris. And then retina. Retina is the back surface of the eyes. Eye lens is the important parts of human eye. So it is convex in nature. Ciliary muscles, the eye lens is fixed between the ciliary muscle. Students, our today's topic is power of accommodation, persistence of vision and the fair point and near point of the human eye. So let me explain you one by one. Our first topic is power of accommodation. So here accommodation meaning is the ability of the eye to change its focus from distant to near objects and vice versa, and then near to distant object, or simply ability of the eye lens to focus the near object as well as distant object is called power of accommodation of the eye. Students, this is achieved by the changing the focal length of the eye lens with the help of ciliary muscles. Students, our eye lens is made of flexible. So flexible meaning you can make it as any shape. So our eye lens is a flexible and then jelly like material. So by relaxing and contracting the ciliary muscle. So by relaxing and contracting the ciliary muscle, the curvature and hence the focal length of the eye lens can be altered. Students, here curvature meaning a curved surface, so deviates from a plane. Students, when we see the distant objects, the ciliary muscles relaxes and make the eye lens thinner. See in the second picture. So here ciliary muscle is relaxes and make the eye lens thinner. So this increases the focal length of the eye lens. Hence the distant object can be seen clearly. So you can able to see the distant object clearly. On the other hand, when we look at the closer object, the focal length is decreased by the contraction. See in this picture, ciliary muscle is contracted. Of the ciliary muscle, those image of the closer object is clearly formed on the retina. Students, the ciliary muscles relaxes and make the eye lens thinner. So this increases focal length of the eye lens. And hence the distant object, very important, distant object can be seen clearly. So on the other hand, when we look at the closer object, the focal length of the eye lens is decreased by contraction of ciliary muscle. Thus the image of the closer object is clearly formed on the retina. Students, our next topic is persistence of vision. Students, in this card there is a cage and a parrot are present. So now if I revolve it very fast, this parrot appear to be in a cage. See, like this. So now why it happens? Because of phenomenon called persistence of vision. Students, now you must know what is meant by persistence of vision. Students, basically we are able to see the object due to image produced by eye lens on the retina. So the image remains on the retina as long as object is in front of. This image remains imprinted on the retina for 1/16th of second even after the object is removed. So and is called persistence of vision. Students, persistence of vision is defined as if the time interval between two consecutive light pulses is less than 1/16th second. So human eye cannot distinguish them separately. So this is called as persistence of vision. Students, our next topic is far point and near point of the human eye. So the minimum distance required to see the object distinctly meaning clearly, without any strain, is called least distance of distinct vision. So it is called as near point of eye. So the near point of eye is nothing but 25 centimeter for normal human eye. So that's why we have to keep our study material within 25 centimeter. Students, fair point is the maximum distance up to which the eye can see objects clearly. So it's called as the fair point. It is infinity for the normal eye. So infinity meaning we could not able to count the distance. So that is said to be as infinity, limitless or limitless, because our eye can able to see the star and a planet also. We could not able to measure the distance between stars and a planet. So that is said to be as infinity.